Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP NV4520 series printer, and now I'm going to show you how to change the region of this printer. So firstly, to open the m.web server, you can do it providing the IP address of your printer in your web browser, or just open the HP Smart application on your Windows or Mac device. Choose your printer, click Advanced Settings, and in this way you will open the m.web server too. Then choose here Settings, then click Preferences, click International, choose the region and change it to the other, for example to Turkey. Click Apply, wait a while, and great, as you can see, changes have been successfully updated. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you!